How's it going, guys? Alejandro back again, going over another used truck that just recently came into our used truck department here at MJ Truck Nation. Today we're going over this 2016 ISUZU NPR-HD. As you come around and take a look at it, you're going to see this is a relatively clean truck for the year. It's only got 131,000 miles. As you can see, it's got the driver's seat with a 2-man bench. And then as you go to the back, you do have a 4-man bench. So a total of 7 people in the truck. As you come around and you take a look at the body, you're going to see this one here is actually just a cabin chassis. There isn't a body on it. Nice thing about that, it does give you the freedom to add any body you want on there. If you need a flatbed, if you need a box, if you need a dump, we do have a few used options available, and we can always do anything custom that you need as well. So if you're in the market for a truck, you want something that you can add to your fleet without having to spend the money of a brand new truck, a truck like this is definitely the route you're going to want to go. Like I said, relatively clean truck. It is very aggressively priced. Again, with 131,000 miles, this motor has a B10 rating, meaning that 90% of these trucks are going to go to at least 450,000 miles before you have any engine failure. So you still have plenty of life left in it. Again, it is very aggressively priced, so it's not going to last long. You definitely want to reach out to us sooner rather than later. There's a few different ways you can do that. You can reach us by phone at 561-840-9800. Again, that's 561-840-9800. You're always welcome to stop by. Our address here is 3775 Interstate Park Road. We're located in Riviera Beach, Florida. Or you're always welcome to reach us on the website, mjtrucknation.com. However you go about it, we're more than happy to work with you guys. Give us a call, reach us on the website, or stop by. We look forward to working with you guys. Have a great day.